No.
This maiden voyage.
Maiden voyage of the SS, what the crap am I doing? I'm kidding. Alright, what's in there?
Show me how easy this is, Calvin.
Well, it helps if you don't have the fin on the ground.
There you go. Oh, doing better than I did. Back when I did in Colorado, I didn't think it that far.
Later, losers.
That was so,
Oh, this thing is nice. Oh, yeah. So, as some of you might know, I actually really enjoy both stand-up paddleboarding and kayaking. No, I don't particularly enjoy riding a Sea-Doo with Crazy Pants Danielle driving it, but that's a whole other story altogether. I'm more somebody who enjoys chill things on the water. But I was contacted by the company to see if I would be curious about trying this out and giving it a review, and I said, sure, I'd love to. I've always wanted to have one of these. And the problem is, because I drive a little 96 Civic DX, I do not particularly have a ton of space to go sticking a giant kayak on the roof or even a paddleboard. Plus, I don't exactly have the storage room for something like that. So I figured, you know what, an inflatable unit makes a lot more sense. Also, this is a pretty big box, if you can't tell. It is still a bit more portable than going and getting a rigid one and going from there. So, enough talk, let's get this bad boy unboxed, shall we? Okay, here's all the stuff that was inside there, and boy is it a lot of stuff. In no particular order, you get a dry bag. Obviously, if you chuck this thing 30 feet underwater, your items will get wet, but it's really nice for keeping things splash dry. Say you've got some snacks or your phone, which I'd probably put inside another waterproof case. You get the idea. It helps keep your stuff from getting wet, which is very nice. We have an inflation hose with a yeet ton of adapters. That's very nice. We have the keel assembly. That's important. We have what appears to be a carrying bag. That's actually really nice. Oh, it's a backpack too. Oh, dude, man. Oh, that's nice. I mean, I don't know how I'm gonna fit it in there, but that's sweet. Anybody who knows me well from camping trips, you know who I'm mentioning, will know that I am terrible when it comes to fitting tents and air mattresses back into the containers, but we'll see. We might be able to do a better job with this. I'm just admitting I'm not great at sticking things in there. We have our collapsible oar, which looks pretty nice. We have our, holy crap, this thing is huge, air pump inflation unit, and appears to use a, is that a cigarette lighter adapter? Yeah. Cigarette lighter. I think it comes with 2 of them. What a different size. Oh well. It comes with 2 cigarette lighter adapters, which is nice. And it also looks like it comes with a decently sized cord. That's also nice as well, because obviously, depending upon how you have to pull the thing out. So let me just unbox this. Wow. So I haven't read the manual yet. We'll get to that later. But it looks like you can turn the unit on. Oh, cool. It does both inflate and deflate. And you can set the pressure, which is super handy. So I'm going to go ahead, read the instructions manual really quick. I am not going to be pulling this out of the package in here at the set. There's honestly just not enough room to blow the thing up out here. I will be taking this, though, to another location to actually try it out, weather and time permitting. But so far in the initial unboxing, I'm actually very impressed with what's here. Obviously, I haven't used it yet, but I like what I see. So I'm going to conclude the video here. I will have an Amazon affiliates link down below if you do want to check this out and purchase it for yourself. But I would definitely wait until I've actually had time to run around and use the thing.
Not bad for the first try.
Dude, that seriously went better than I had anticipated. I legitimately had visions of getting out there within 3 minutes on the thing. It was going to develop a major leak and I was going to be taking a swim. I was going to fall off and take a swim, or the thing was just going to be a floppy disaster. But even at 5 pounds, which is about a third of the maximum rating, I actually like it a little bit supple.
Yeah.
That's just personal opinion though. I will try it at a higher rating at another time. But took a minute to get used to, but not in a bad way.
Cool.
I like it. Nice.
By the way, a pelican just dove and got a fish just a moment ago.
Did you get that on camera?
No. I had you on the...
Darn!
Had you on in frame.
I am sweating a storm inside this stupid wetsuit. That, and I think my shoulders lost circulation as well.
Oh my god.
This thing is tight.
Is the water actually that cold?
You can stick your finger in. I mean, with the wetsuit on, it's not that bad. It's just if I've got full body soaked,
Yeah.
another story.
I bet. Oh, that's not bad at all.
Plus, you throw in the wind chill though. When you're built like me.
One of these days we'll come back out here. Once my back gets better, I'll take it for a spin.
Oh yeah. I think you would actually legitimately enjoy it. I really do.
I do it when I get in Colorado. I do it all the time back there, and I love it.
Great. Maybe I should just buy Danielle one. I'm just kidding. I legitimately though I do want an inflatable kayak. I prefer kayaking, but
Yeah.
you know, for what it is though, I am not complaining. I do think what I will do is when we get back home is I will go ahead and just par inflate it and then just hose it off with the
Oh yeah, you want
hose.
hose off because of the salt water.
Yeah, so it doesn't get all
A
sticky.
bunch of white spots all over it.
But this material right here, it's like that closed cell foam.
Uh-huh.
At least, okay, now to be fair, I am wearing neoprene booties with grips on the bottom, but at no point did I feel like, oh, I'm gonna slip off. Now if I was in bare feet, it might be another story, but because I didn't know if I was gonna have to walk in the water or not, I've learned always wear something like this or aqua shoes.
Yeah.
Just to be safe, but even with my hand, it's still got good grip, so it's nice.
Okay, so how in the world do you deflate this thing?
Actually, it's really clever. If anybody remembers from the beginning or in the bloopers reel, depending upon how I edit this, there's this little button right here. So to deflate it, you just push it down, and it clicks in place, and that's how you deflate it.
Wow.
And the nice thing is it stays like that until I turn it back off again.
Nice.
Which I need to remember to do next time I fill it. But
Now, does the pump pull the air out?
I can also set the pump up to pull the air out if I really need it to really shrink it back down. It's well thought out. I'm not going to totally deflate the thing because I'm just going to partly stick it in the trunk because I'm going to fill it back up again later to rinse it off when we get home.
Yeah.
But
Nice.
yeah. And then the nice thing is the bore just has a little clip right there. And that guy. Done.
Wow.
Yeah. I'll put it this way. Whoever designed this definitely put a lot of thought into making it as user-friendly as possible.
Oh, don't forget your GoPro.
I won't. Which I really, really appreciate. And then the fin is just held in place with this little clip here, so undo that. It is a bit of a tight fit though, so.
Do you need that other piece?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was just there in transit, but yeah, that's how you do it.